This is just a quick update. I've been doing tests lately, trying to understand how objects and classes work. Um, my main problem is I'm an idiot and I don't learn easily. And a lot of the stuff I'm looking at, the people, there's an alternate problem. The people doing these tutorials are not good teachers. But I found a couple good ones. Well, I watched a video, didn't understand a damn thing, watched another video where I understood part of it, and then watched a third video that was way overcomplicated, but I understood parts of it based on the other two videos, and then another video that kind of worked. Anyways, I figured out how to make uh, classes out of resources and typed this out real quick, tested it, and it's exactly what I've been trying to do. So what I've changed my I'm going to be changing. I haven't done it yet because I just figured this out. I've changed my people stats into a class. So all I have to do is change the class, and then change the UI to take it into account, and I've got it. And the main thing I'm excited about is people I name. I can do this exactly like I wanted to in using dictionaries as an array, which I could never figure out. So here's name. It's a string, and I can actually reference everything by, yikes. There we go. By names, and it makes a heck of a lot more sense. This is the original. This is my original array of people stats. They're like string, number, string for what? I had to number these things. This is number 2 in the array. This is number 1 in the array. This string represents name, which is number 0 in the people stats array. And it was a freaking nightmare. Now, with the class method, I'm actually able to make the stats, instead of just being number based, they can be descriptive based, which is kind of cool. So essentially, it's just I made a class name called people resource. So people are a resource. This is the base people resource class. Extends a resource, so the class is an actual resource. So if you, I want to make for example, a new resource. Right here, people resource. It shows up as something you can make. And then all the stats are enumerators, but they can also double as numbers, because this is 0. Like brutish is 0, annoying is 1, average 2, charming 3, and so on. But I can just psychology is going to be God knows how long it's going to be. Anyways, on the test, I wanted to put them into an array, and I fought with this for too long. I figured out, okay, person equals people resource. So my variable of person equals people resource. That's the class. And then for people, I want that as an array. My goal was to make it an array of person, which is people resource. So down here, I do people. This is another cool thing I just discovered. People is the array. I resize the array for 3 entries. And then for I and 3, and this is the old way I would do this stuff, down here for I and people size. So the people array size, I would just print these out. But anyways, people I, so which entry in the array of people equals a new person, and person is people resource, which is the class I made. Now, people, again, I is in the for, dot name, this is the one thing I wanted so bad, equals none plus string I, because strings can't take integers. I is an integer. And that's how you get the none 0, 1, 2 down here. The problem I was always having in is the dictionaries. If I would try to do an array of dictionaries, it would be the array of a single dictionary, just repeated 99 times if you had the array size to be 99. I'm learning so much more about how classes work now. I was originally looking at objects, but objects you have to create and destroy. You have to memory manage them, and I'm just too lazy for that. Yeah, quick update. Everybody have a great day. I'm so happy right now.